Oh, hello everyone. Hey, do you like my new cap? It was knitted for me by my friend Nellie, who's from Strasbourg. And we met Nellie at Paris Le Monil when we were setting up the exhibition. She leapt forward and she was our interpreter for the day. Andrew was supposed to be our interpreter, but it turned out that the only word he knew in French was champignon. Anyway, never mind. I'm very grateful for it because it's freezing here in Broadstairs in more ways than one, because look, I'm working on a frieze. I love my friezes. They're a real antidote and an answer to the people who say they have no more room for any more work, because all I do is say, well, have you got any doors in your house? Because if you've got a door in your house, you can put one of my friezes in it, and they can be any length, any width, which is great because it means we can work to a budget. So I guess I'd better get on with this one. It's for Bleak House, my new neighbours. Anyway, where did I put my champignon? Oh, here we are, look. Yay!